Raffiné has put together two different sketching sets, and they're actually pretty complete. We've got a charcoal sketching set and a color sketching set, and I'll just kind of show you what you get with it. The idea to get these things in your hands as close as we can. The charcoal sketching set comes with your willow charcoal. You can see it has a variety of sizes from thick to very thin. Your kneaded eraser, which is, has been used. Charcoal pencil, graphite pencil, and additionally charcoal pastel, white and black. I'll show you guys just a little bit of how they'll go down and how you can use them, and just kind of marks that they'll make. Really feel good in the hand, nice quality. Willow charcoal is one of those things, you know, meant for loose work. And your two pencils. Here's your charcoal pencil here. I think a 2B pencil is pretty self-explanatory. Has a nice feel, very resilient lead. Let me go over some areas so you can see the kind of marks it'll make. And then our colored set, which comes with also a charcoal and a full graphite, a woodless graphite pencil. So you can kind of see how that looks. And that has a lot of advantages of its own. When there's no wood and the whole thing's graphite, especially for working on its side, you've got the whole thing. You know, the whole thing is graphite. So you have a much bigger range of motion and mark and more control. Also feels really nice in your hand. It's a little bit heavier. And then similarly to the black and white pastels, you have an arrangement of earth tones in the colored set. And I'll just kind of show you how some of those go down. Good coverage. They feel very solid in my hand. They don't feel like they're gonna, you know, pop or break on me. And really rich color, really rich color. So one of the last things I'll show you is just some artwork that our art director put together before the shoot, so you can kind of see some things that have been made with these products. We've just got some life sketches here that he put together. This is using the charcoal set, and then incorporating in some of that white pastel. He has his little chucks, all-stars, kicks, whatever you're going to call them. You can see how we incorporated the white back in over the charcoal, which is a really cool effect, using that work to kind of, the white to kind of carve in over the darker marks. And then the color sketch, you can see here his little, simply a Stephen King scene. Ravens, crows, and you can see the use of all the colors here. The charcoal pencil, the graphite pencil, really beautiful work. So these are really great, simple tools that you can just buy once, and that's it. You got just about everything you need. Outside of maybe a rag and a sharpener, that's basically what you need to get started in charcoal and colored sketch. So I hope you guys give them a chance and enjoy them.